is just fantastic. Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today Shano and I have got something very exciting for you guys. We've got these 3 amazing cars belonging to Enabling Racing. Anyway, today we've got this Huracan here, twin turbo Huracan, a very special car this, and this lovely Lamborghini Urus here with an acro pipe. But Shano will give you more info on these cars. And right at the back there we have that stunning GTR. Sounds amazing. I'm gonna link you up to a video where it shot some flames. I know you guys like flames. So anyway, I'll hand it over to Shano just to share with you guys.
Hey guys, so here we have a very special Lamborghini Urus. It is your standard Urus, although you can see different color on, of course, the carbon ceramic brakes, and this actually has Akropovich exhaust system. So this sounds much better than your standard Urus. And if you follow me this way, we have a very, very, very insane Nissan Gtr. This is the R35. Although this does have an Alpha 9 kit, it is also running ethanol. Yes, this is loud, it does spit fire, and I've just spoken with the owner, and the 0 to 100 on this thing is under 3 seconds. 1100 horsepower. So if you are going to be a passenger in this, make sure to pack another pair of underwear. Yeah. Then on our way here, so this is by far one of my most favorite Lamborghinis, probably in the world, definitely in the country. This is a Lamborghini Huracan with a Renato Vision 1016 Industries wide body by 1016 Industries from America. It's also fitted with twin Garrett twin turbos by AMPS Performance, built right here in South Africa by Next Gen Performance. Not only that, this does also have an Alpha 9 kit, and this is also pushing out 1000 horsepower. So this car in itself, currently as we speak, being a twin turbo Renato Vision car, is actually one of 3 in the world currently. So definitely, with that being said, this is very loud, very powerful, and pretty much turns everyone's heads. If it doesn't, you're probably deaf. Love this car so much. All 3 of these cars are currently owned, managed, maintained by Enabling Racing. So if you guys are gonna go check them out, please do. We'll leave all the links in the description below. Don't forget to follow them. They're really awesome people. They have amazing builds and definitely more things to come in the future. Thanks guys.
So guys, I am sweating. I am hot right now. Not sure if it's this weather or it's these cars. But anyway, we are now going to do some rolling shots. As always, Shano's gonna be at the back there. Shano!
Yeah? What's up?
That was adventurous.
You know what was the scariest? We sitting there, facing them and thinking my glasses are gonna fly off my face.